Microsoft Chat GPT Bing. How to join the waitlist now. Digital trends. Microsoft added AI to its Edge browser and Bing search engine, and it's powered by the same advanced technology that OpenAI used to create Chat GPT. How to join the Chat GPT Bing waitlist. How long is the Bing Chat GPT waitlist? How to download the new AI-powered Edge. Is Bing Chat the same as Chat GPT? How will the full version work? How much does it cost? Other AI options. Scroll down on the next page, and you'll see the Ask Anything section. The sample suggestions change over time, so you can preview many different prompts and responses from the new Bing Chat before it's available to everyone. We had a chance to test out the new Chat GPT powered Bing ourselves, and it works wonders given the right prompts. Known as the Prometheus model, Microsoft brings current news to its chat for up-to-date results that are still safe for Bing's large user base. Please provide a valid email address to continue. Sorry, an error occurred during subscription. Gigabyte's Project Stealth is finally here with the mission of dealing with cable management once and for all.